Okay, let's say you have a very limited focal length lens and you want to photograph small birds, but most of the small birds is high up in the tree, like 30 feet away or 30 feet from the ground. It's very hard to get a detailed photograph of the birds, especially when you're dealing with 6-inch birds like that one. Not that very small birds. That's purling birds. And if you're going to use a 400 millimeter focal length lens, it's too small. Forget about taking bird picture of birds in these tall trees. What you can do is go to some of your city parks, and some of them have a small tree like this. These are fruit bearing trees, and since they are fruit bearing trees, they are frequented by some of the birds. Now, even if you have a very limited focal length, with these tree are just about 12 to 15 feet high tree. So a 400 millimeter focal length lens is sufficient enough. It will enable you to feel the full viewfinder of your camera. So in short, if you have a very limited lens, forget about taking pictures of birds on high trees, very tall trees. Just go to your local city parks and the smaller trees, because most of the time, especially if it's a fruit-bearing tree, birds are going to frequent it. They are going to feed.